During my 5-week experience, I faced adjustment and challenges that pushed me far beyond my introvert nature. Required me to adapt extroverted traits. Achieving my goal within this short time frame seemed almost impossible. Each week, I face new challenges, weariness, fatigue, and learning opportunity. So this experience led to significant change in myself, especially in my personality. I took the CPA program not only because it was a requirement in my internship, but also because I want to understand myself better. I expected this program to help me better become caregiver and foster. My CPA journey has been time of immense and personal and professional growth, profoundly impacting a sense of self and my approach to caregiving.
Kapoy video?
The journey I have at Silliman University Medical Center have been nothing short of transformative experience, both personally and professionally. And my duty days at SUMC, I face many challenges. Interacting with patients required a level of empathy and communication that pushed me beyond my comfort zone. I often feel overwhelmed